Okay, we're going to walk through a review of reflections. In this video, the reflections will be both over the x and y axis. Pay attention because there's a few times when I tell you to change some of the directions just to make it easier for you. So pay attention and also make those changes on your paper. For the first one, we are going to make a change. We're going to change the y to the x-axis. We're also going to change this -1 to a +1. You'll see here the directions tell you to reflect across the x-axis, but what it does not give you, it does not give you the shape. So what you have to do is you have to use these vertices here to actually graph the shape first and then reflect over the x-axis. So let's start graphing here. So the first point D is at 1, 0. Remember, the first point in any ordered pair is your x, the second is your y. So for the first point here, where x is 1, we're going to go over 1. Okay? So over 1, and then 0 tells us how much we move up. Okay, or in the y direction. Since we move up 0, we just move over 1. We put our first point here, and we'll label that D. Okay, the second point T, okay, has a 0 in the x, so we do not move in either direction of the x. We just move up 3. 1, 2, 3. And I think I've lost D down here. I lost T up here. 1, 2, 3. T. C, okay, is 1, 3, so we have to move to the right 1, up 3. To the right 1, up 1, 2, 3. C here. And then B, we have 4, +1, we mean to the right 4, and up in a +1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. B here. We can connect our shape here. And this is going to be the shape that we're going to be reflecting over the x-axis. One of the hardest parts about doing this, okay, and doing this type of review, is make sure that you get this initial shape correct based on the coordinates that you're given. We have to reflect across the x-axis, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the x-axis to make it, and that was pretty bad, so we'll do that again. I'm going to highlight the x-axis to make it very clear what we're going over. Okay, we're going over this line. This is our line of reflection. Line of reflection. Okay, the line that is essentially the fold spot. Okay, if we fold it across this line, this image is going to end up down here. I'm going to start with point T. Okay, T, you'll notice is 1, 2, 3 spaces away from the line of reflection. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3 spaces away, and we're going to refer to that as T prime, or T with an apostrophe mark over it. I'm going to next go to D. D is a little different because it is actually on the line of reflection. If the point is on the line of reflection, it does not move. So D prime will stay in the exact same spot. C is 1, 2, 3 units away from the line of reflection. So my line of reflection here, 1, 2, 3 spots away. C prime. Okay. And then B is just 1 unit away from the line of reflection. So it's going to be 1 unit away from the line of reflection over here. I connect my points. Sloppy, I know. What we're going to end up with is an exact reflection of this shape across the x-axis down here. There's our reflection. Okay, keep in mind, the most difficult part in this activity is getting the actual coordinates down. Okay. Once you get that, then the reflection is not that bad. Let's see this next one. Let's jump to 22. Our first point P, we have -4, -3. Keep in mind, the first number in the coordinate grid tells us to move either right or left, if it's positive or negative. So if it's negative, we have to move left. The second number tells us up or down. This is negative, so we're going to move down. So our point in this example is over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 3. 1, 2, 3. Big P. Keep in mind, I don't move until I make both the jumps to the left and the jumps down. Point D is at -4, -1, so we know we're going to move left and down again. -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1. Here. D. And then V is 0, -2. 0 we don't move any, so we'll just stay here. -2 means we move down 2. 2. Our point V will be right here. Let's connect the lines. Connect the vertices, I should say. Alright. And once again, we are reflecting across the x-axis. So I can highlight my x-axis. Alright, just a little hint there because it labels it for us as the x-axis. And then our reflection in this case, if we start with D at the line of reflection, D is only 1 unit away from this x-axis. My D prime will be only 1 unit away. P is 1, 2, 3 units away from the line of reflection, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 here. We'll label that as P prime. V is 1, 2 units away from the line of reflection, so 1, 2. This is V prime. Alright, our original is here in blue, our reflection is here in green. Okay, and we have our reflection. Plotting these coordinate pairs is the most difficult thing in this example. Okay, if you think you can do it, I want you to pause and try 23. Okay, pause now if you think you can do it. Alright, let's go ahead and work through 23. F here, we have a negative number first, so we're going to move the left positive number second, and then move up. Move the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. Point here at F. Okay. Next point, -3, 3. To the left, and then up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. X. Our next point E, -1. -1, we're going to move to the left 1, down 1. If you're having difficulty plotting the points, what you can do is you can wait and watch to see how I plot these points, plot these vertices, and then go about the reflection. This time, our reflection is across the y-axis. Okay, y-axis we know is this straight up and down axis. Okay. It's not being very good. Let's erase it. Here's our y-axis right here. So let's start counting the distances. E is 1 unit away from the y-axis. Okay, so E prime is 1 unit away from the y-axis. F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away from the y-axis. So F prime is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away in this direction. X is going to be 1, 2, 3 units away from the line of reflection. So it's 1, 2, 3 units away from the line of reflection in this case. Connect my points. Here's my reflection. Okay. In this example, I want you to change a few things. Instead of x equals whatever it was, I don't even know. Instead of x equals -2, we're just going to reflect it across the x-axis. Okay. Let's plot our points. S is at -3, 0. Okay, for 24, I went ahead and plotted the points. This is point S down here, V is here, and M is here. Okay, make sure you plot those points now. Okay. When I go to reflect, my reflection is across the x-axis. Here. So that being said, point S does not move, because S is on the line of reflection. It does not move. V is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. V. M is 1 unit away here. So this M prime, I forgot to put the primes on here, is right here. Connect my points. And we're done.